Well, hey there, Chef Donna here, and welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today, I am going to be making a prosciutto wrapped grouper. I'm also going to add some fresh basil and some lemon zest. I'm going to start it on the stove top, get a nice crust formed, and then I'm going to put it in the oven to finish. I just can't wait to dig into this one, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is season our fish. I have two 6-ounce pieces of grouper here. So I'm just going to salt and pepper both sides. Super quick and easy. Now that I have both sides seasoned, I'm going to use a lemon, and I'm just going to put some zest right on top of the fish. When I zest, I only want to get the yellow part. I don't want to get down into the pith too much because that can be really bitter. Now that I have the fish seasoned and it also has lemon zest on it, so I have 4 slices of prosciutto. So I'm going to lay them on my board just like this. This one's kind of big, so I'm going to use the smaller one. And you always want to have the deli person put paper in between your slices of prosciutto because it will stick together and then you cannot get them apart. So now we're going to take a piece of fish and lay it right in the center. I'm going to take 2 basil leaves and I'm going to put it right on there. And then I'm going to wrap the prosciutto right around it. My cast iron pan has come up to heat. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in our fish. You should hear a nice sizzle once it hits the pan. I'm going to let it cook for just a couple minutes on each side. We're just going to wait a minute and then we're going to flip it over. There's a nice golden crust on it, and that's exactly what you want. Just gonna let it sit for another minute here, and then we're gonna get it into the oven. The frying prosciutto smells so good, you wouldn't believe it. So it's nice and golden brown on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it right into the oven. I'm going to let it cook in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. My timer just went off, so I'm going to get the fish out of the oven. I'm going to do a quick temperature check to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So I want the temperature to be at least 140 degrees. Oh, and we're there. Perfect. So I'm going to get the fish out of the pan and into my dish to cool because I'm going to have this for dinner tonight. Look how gorgeous it is. So today I showed you a super quick and easy way to prepare fish. And you know, it just gives it so much flavor by wrapping it in prosciutto. I would serve this with a fresh vegetable, like maybe a fresh steamed asparagus or some green beans or just a garden salad. It would just make a perfect meal. So I hope you enjoyed the episode today. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe to never miss an episode. And until next time, I hope you keep it homemade every day. Bye, everyone.